Again, hello everyone. Now we are shooting a second video. This video I will explain the difference in the two tests. The first test when I take on March 27, you'll see the comparison to the second test that I take on May 15. Over here, this is the test results for my first test, March 27. You see, the darker shade represent lower vision accuracy, and the yellow shade represent high vision. So the darker the color is, the worse it is, and the lighter it is, the better it is. So you can see the red and dark black mean that my vision in that area is bad, and the green and the yellow, like you see the yellow right here and the green is over here, represent that, you know, my vision is okay, it's better. So this is the white part of my vision. So I'm gonna show you the second test that I took on May 15. See, now you can see the difference, and there's a very big difference. You see over here that there's more yellow, you know, there's light yellow, and you know, there's no dark red over there, which I'm coming back in a second for a second session, which should eliminate this. But you see the difference. It has improved dramatically. My vision has been so much better, and I do feel better too. So yeah, there's more yellow over here than in this one, because that one right here, you can see the dark area, which I don't have, is green over here, and dark right here, dark brown, dark red over here. Now you see it's more green right here and more yellow all over. So it's better. And I'm about to show you my left eye. This is the previous test. Over here on my left eye, you see that, you know, it's better than the right one actually, but you still see some dark shade colors, like dark brown, black over here, red right here, and black over here, and some greens and some yellow. And I'll show you the second test. Again, left eye, so much better than the previous one, and I do feel better. So you know, like I said, over here in the central vision, there's still some dark shade color, and hopefully on my second visit this will go away too. You see the colors are more light and they are yellow. Some area I have even lighter yellow shade color. So big difference dramatically, and I'm happy, and I'm glad, because yeah, my name is Castelli, and wish you guys will come here and give this treatment a chance. It might do you some good. Good luck to everyone. Bye-bye.